At the end of this video, you will learn exactly how to use the Itemgetter function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. So let's start. Itemgetter is used to fetch or retrieve a specific item in an array or any sequential object. Let's better understand how the Itemgetter function works by doing a few examples. I'm creating a list with numbers. I'm adding 5 members to the list. I can print the 0 member of the list to the console with this method. Let's print the 3rd index member of the list to the console. Let's do the same operation using the Itemgetter function. I need to import it in order to use the Itemgetter function. I am creating a variable of type Itemgetter. Thanks to the indexes I send to the function, I can save the members in sequential objects to the variable. All I need to do is send a sequential object to the getItems variable. Thanks to Itemgetter, I can print the members I want in a list to the console. Members of the list are displayed in the order of index sent to the Itemgetter object. I will create another list. The new list I will create will have 4 members of string data type. For example, I want to reach certain members in the names list. What I need to do again is to send the list to the getItems function. But the program gave an error. Because the index number of the last member in the list is 3. But we sent the value 4 to the Itemgetter function. I solved this problem by removing the value 4. Let's try to access specific members in the numbers list. In this video, we learned how the Itemgetter function works. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.